If you have your videos uploaded in YouTube, then what you can do is you can go around and attach out those videos onto your questions in Microsoft Forms as well. For example, you can see that I have a question, do you like this video? So if you want to attach out a YouTube video right here, you can go around and click right here and then click on the insert paste or drag media icon right here. So once you do that, you can see that insert video is an option. So now what you can do is you can go around onto YouTube and then you can go around and select out a video that you may want to share it out there. So I'm just going to go around over here and then click on share from my video library right here. Then what you can do is you can simply paste it out. You can also go around and use any public videos and use the URL and paste it out over here as well. So once you go around and add it, you can see that the video has been added in over here. So you can go around and then interact with this. If I were to go around onto preview, you can see that this is how the other users would actually see it. You can go around over here onto, let's say, mobile phone view as well, and then they'll be able to go around and interact with this particular video, as you can see. So you can click the users can click the link to directly launch it in YouTube as well and view this out. And that is how you can add in videos directly inside of questions inside of Microsoft Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.